Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power. Plug a known good charger into the MacBook and a different wall outlet. You want to eliminate the power source. Once done, inspect the connector for debris or bent pins and reseat firmly. If your model has MagSafe, look for the LED. If none, hold expectation low but continue. You should disconnect USB devices and external drives now. Those can hang startup. After a 10 to 20 second pause, try the power button with intent to observe any response. If power is present but the MacBook won't open, you proceed to firmware resets. You reset the SMC to clear low-level power and thermal state. The exact key sequence depends on model, so use the correct one for your MacBook. Next, perform an NVRAM/PRAM reset by holding Option plus Command plus P plus R for about 20 seconds during startup. This clears display and boot variables. Once reset, try Safe Mode by holding Shift. This loads minimal drivers, and when firmware steps fail, you escalate to Recovery and Diagnostics. Boot into Recovery with Command plus R. Run Disk Utility first to repair the startup volume, then reinstall Mac OS without erasing data if repairs fail. You should also run Apple Diagnostics by holding D at startup to check battery, memory, or logic board errors. Note any error codes. If there's still no improvement, connect an external display to verify video output, document exact behavior, and then arrange service with Apple or a certified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.